Hey man, it's your boy SNKRFLEA, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. And yes, I'm rocking a little jacket. Of course, always got the chain tucked. I know y'all peep it. And I hope that you guys enjoy that little B-roll. And if you like, hopefully y'all got a nice, good little sneak peek of what we have for this video. That's none other than we have a mystery box. Well, mystery package. Okay, so if you guys don't know, this is from SNKRFLEA. Essentially, the way this works is kind of crazy. So this one is a Dior Jordan 1 mystery box, $100 mystery box and whatnot. And essentially from this, the cool thing about it is that you have the possibility of winning some type of golden ticket. Golden ticket, it can go ahead and probably have some crazy item. In this case, it was the Dior Air Jordan 1. I think someone already won, and then there's like various prizes like V-Lone shirts, Supreme, Antisocial. It's like various cool things that you can win, box logos, there's crazy things, and it's like you're guaranteed a profit from each box. So I went ahead and I tested it out. I was like, hey, let me see my luck. Let's see if I go ahead win a golden ticket, or if I even win some few cool items. Whatever items that y'all see in this mystery box will most likely be going up on the Easy resale page for me to go ahead and try and sell. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and take some pics with it and do that whole nine to kind of promote it. So if you guys are interested in some of these pieces, make sure that you guys are following the Easy resale page. And one, let me go ahead and say, this is not like sponsored or nothing. Like, you know, I bought this with my own money. So of course, you know, I'm be completely transparent. Hopefully in the future, we can get some of these videos sponsored and something like 5. But I think something that I'll end up doing, if I really do enjoy this one, I'm going to make like my own mystery box with this. Like I might buy like 3 or 4, put in like a box, and then just kind of see the items that I get. Because I feel like it'll be cool and make for some good content. I feel like you'll be able to get some cool pieces, and you know, can end up reselling most of them and just doing it again at a higher scale. So guys, let's go ahead. I'm not gonna waste any time. We're gonna switch up the angle. We're gonna see just what I got. Hopefully I got some good items. Hopefully I get a golden ticket. That would be crazy, like absolutely crazy. But I think you guys should smash up this like button. For the month of October, we're gonna really just be going crazy, bro. My goal is to put out 40 videos this month. So yeah, expect some double uploads. I'm just gonna try to balance both school life with, you know, my YouTube and everything. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Let's see if we can hit 3,000 subscribers this month. I feel like we can do it, but it's gonna take you right there. I need you to go ahead and smash the subscribe button. But anyways, let's get this video started. Alright guys, so you boys freaking excited. I'm not gonna waste any time, but you guys already know how this section goes. I needed to fly out of thin air. Oh shoot, man, you guys thought I was playing. So we got the package right over here, man. Bro, I'm excited. I'm gonna let you guys get the sneak peek. Like, I'm not gonna look. It's right over here. So look, we'll pull it up to the camera. I know you guys already got the sneak peek from the little intro. Okay. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. Okay, so I don't know how much. Is it just one piece? Okay, so we got another thing. So we have a Playboy Remix Black Tee from the Antisocial Social drop. Oh, this is the Playboy X Antisocial. Hey, this is tough. This is most definitely tough. For all these pieces, I'm going to go ahead and put it full screen. And also for those of you guys who are trying to buy it, you know, like it's not gonna come in the original packaging, because you know I gotta go ahead and like just wrap it in something else. All right, don't waste no time, bro. Let's see what this is about. All right, first piece, I think it's good. I don't think I got the golden ticket. I was stumbling around and I couldn't feel it. Hey, this is tough. This is most definitely a tough piece. So it's the Antisocial Social Club X Playboy collab. I think I actually went ahead and covered this video, which is actually crazy, but I don't think I had enough money at the time, and I think it sold out pretty fast. And this is actually pretty nice. It's a nice, cool, simple piece. It's cool that I get to see the Antisocial quality. I mean, like, it's standard. It's like standard quality. Like, you're gonna be happy with it if you get it. And most definitely, this is definitely a cool piece. This is definitely cool. I feel like anyone could add this piece to their collection and most definitely be happy. So, I mean, first little piece, you know, it's some Antisocial. I mean, it's straight, you know what I mean? Now, we're gonna go to probably the second and final piece. Okay. So yep, no golden ticket, but we do have another Antisocial shirt. And from the, bro, I literally covered both of these. I literally covered both of these pieces, bro. Okay, so we have, oh my goodness. And y'all already know, before I even show this piece, bro, you guys already had my opinion. Like, I already told you guys my opinion about this piece. I was just like, Alright, so we have the Antisocial X Neighborhood, Antisocial Social Club X Neighborhood drop. I don't know, like, I wasn't like the biggest fan of this one. This is the white colorway. We're gonna go ahead and just pop it on open. And yes, both of these pieces will be up on a Easy Resell page. Also, if you have not already, make sure you go ahead and follow that page. Whenever I do like these mystery boxes and whatnot, or if I'm ordering some of the pieces, a lot of it's gonna be for resale. And the goal is for the future. Oh shoot, this is kind of live. Okay, so you have the front, which is right over here. It says Antisocial Social Club Neighborhood. And then on the back, it says Filth Furry Get Weird. I mean, it's kind of live, but this one, for some reason, the sizing just feels a whole lot bigger than the other one. Wait, never mind. I think I don't know. Yeah, this one most definitely feels a whole lot bigger. But both of these pieces are pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy with them. And again, guys, if you guys want to go ahead and get your hands on it, make sure that you guys are following that Easy Resell page. As soon as you see this video up, those pieces will probably already be live and posted. So if you want to go ahead and get your hands on it, just go ahead and do that. And yeah, now that we got the pieces, I'm gonna go ahead and transition to a little bit of B-roll, and I'll come back and just kind of let you guys know how I feel about it. Do I think it was worth the money or not worth the money? And then we're also going to go ahead and determine how much both of these pieces are going for, like, in the market, to see if I actually was able to like make a profit or I actually lost it. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out.
Sorry on the beat.
He's back, and for this one, I'm gonna take a seat because I do have a lot to say. Okay, so essentially, for one, I spent $137 on the box. Okay, so for me to make my profit, just to make my money back, I would have to sell both of the pieces for, give or take, let's just say $70 a piece. Okay. And these are two older pieces, okay? Like, if you go on the Antisocial website, you're not gonna be able to see like any of the pieces, and you don't see these pieces on StockX. So the only place that leaves us to be able to assess stuff, which I'm gonna pop up right over here, is Grail. And as you guys can see, for one, the pieces that kind of vary, mainly around the $60 range. You have a few people who are trying to list it for $80. But if someone sees a price for $60, $65, there's no way they're gonna go ahead and spend $80 for something that they can get the same size or whatever for a cheaper price. So for the first piece, go ahead and just grab both of these pieces and whatnot. Okay, so we have the Antisocial X Neighborhood piece right over here, size large. That piece, let's say give or take, let's say I want to sell it for 70. You know what I'm saying? But ideally, it'll probably be tough because there's few people listening for 60, few people listening for 65. I'll probably put it at like 65 or 70. Okay, so right there, we've covered, me say, the $65. The Antisocial X Playboy Remix tee right over here. You've seen prices this vary. I've seen some from like $50, I've seen some at $60, seen some at $80, mainly around that $50, $60 range. So let's just say I want to guarantee myself a sale. Let's say I try and list this one for what, $60, other one for $65. That is $125, and I lost $12. So with that being said, in my opinion, do I think that, you know, the SNKRFLEA Mystery Box is worth it? I mean, you kind of betting on the chance of getting a ticket. If you get a ticket, you're most definitely going to be able to get your profit. Maybe if you buy multiple boxes, you'll be able to, you know, secure a profit. But for just this one, I can definitely say it pretty much was an L. Most definitely, in my book, this was an L. No ticket, items was not that good. So on my end, this is most definitely an L. However, I probably will try it out again in the future, and I will raise the bar. I don't know when I'm going to try it out, but I will. I'm going to probably buy at least 2, probably 3 or 4. We're actually going to see whatever that value is supposed to be, if we got our money back or if it is a super L, okay? Because compared, if you guys have not checked out, I've done various mystery boxes and whatnot. on the channel. Laced Up, I did some online ones, and you know, Laced Up, it was straight. Most definitely I will do more in the future. Most definitely got my profits. This one is kind of an L on my part, but I recommended you taking the chances to go ahead and get the golden ticket. Just know that you're spending that money to potentially get a golden ticket. But yeah, I put it like in the middle. You got the online mystery boxes, you got Laced Up, you got SNKRFLEA right over here, you know what I mean? And you see a lot of content creators like pubbing it with the chances of being able to get something really, really cool. So I guess that is low-key where the hype is. But guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. The B-roll, it was a showcasing the items. You know, I was gonna go ahead and put it on, but I'm just like, nah, I'm just gonna focus on, you know, just selling them. Again, guys, if you want them, probably gonna be under market value. I'm just gonna try to scrape away whatever, you know, bread I can get from it. So if y'all want any of these pieces, both sides large, make sure you go ahead, follow the Easy Resell page. Go ahead, get these off my hands, cop them really quick. And as always, make sure you smash up that like button. We need 100 likes on this video. And then if you're new to the channel, make sure you freaking hit that button. I'm talking to you. You gotta hit that button. You. But anyways, guys, it's your boy CEasy, aka CEasy, and I'm out.